Navy Vet 76. We're going to try the 7mm Remington Rolling Block. I don't know if the resized Springfield cases will chamber in this gun. We'll try. But I want to try the same loads that I used in the long rifle and see what we get. The first ones we're going to try is the Hornady 180 grain ELD bullets with IMR 4350 at 30 grains. It didn't really work well in the long rifle. I don't know what to expect here, but we're going to try that, and then we're going to try the other load, which is the H414 powder at 35 grains, and I believe they both have the same, yeah, they both have the same overall length. So first let's even see if the resized 30-06 cases will even fit, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's see if these resized cases will even chamber. And they do. It's a shorter barrel. I don't know about speed, but we're going to find out here. We're going to shoot the target on the right. And I'm not sure how to line this up. Alright, I'm going to scope the first one, see where it hit. That was really high. And I changed the way I aim on this particular sight. Really sucks. Alright, I just lost my paper. I didn't get a speed on that one either. Can't tell you it didn't keyhole down there, but it was really high. So I got to figure out how to line this sight up. I don't know what my speed is. The chronograph didn't read it. The battery's dead. Alright. cases are kind of dirty. I tell you though, these modified cases, they fit really good in there. Alright, that's all of the IMR 4350. I don't know how fast they were going, because my battery is dying on the chronograph. So all we're going to be able to see is how well it grouped. I tell you what, the rear sight on this kind of reminds me of the Carcano. It's got a really wide groove in it. And I buried the front sight to the bottom of the V groove to just bring down the elevation a little bit. And that's on top of me building up the front sight with some JB weld to bring the elevation down. So let's in a few minutes we'll go down and check the group. I guess we'll go ahead and well, I don't know. He's getting ready to call a timeout, so we'll go down and check it out. Well, that same load, the 4350, IMR 4350 powder, exact same load that I was using in the long rifle, seems to group pretty good. Now I'm having issues trying to get shot placement using the same sightings on the iron sights. This was my first shot, and then I adjusted just by basically shooting it like you would a Carcano. And so I think my problem is not the load as far as the long rifle goes, but wear in the bore rifling. So there we go. That's the carbine using the same load with resized HXP 30-06 cases. And I will tell you, they fit tight, and the breech block closes up on them pretty snug. All right.